There. Okay, so hello. Welcome sa ating problem set discussion today. First problem set natin to sa statistics, no? Kasi kaka-physics lang natin, okay? Mm-hmm. Sige, game. Oh, let's have a recap first ng ating ginawa last time. Okay? So, basic terminologies muna. Statistics as a discipline, the science of conducting studies to collect, organize, summarize, and draw conclusions from the data. No? Moreover, variable is a characteristic or attribute that can assume different values. No? As yung data are the values or measurement or observations that the variables can assume. Population consists of all subjects that are being studied, and sample is a group of subjects selected from the population. Descriptive statistics, summary, collection lang ng data and presentation, straightforward. Inferential, yun nga, nagpe-predict tayo, no? From samples to populations. Estimation, making predictions. Yun yung pinaka-key dito sa inferential statistics. Variables and data, just a bit of review. Qualitative, categorical, can be placed into distinct categories, no? And quantitative are the variables that can be counted or measured. Discrete and continuous. Discrete variables consist of a finite or countable number of values, while continuous variables are variables that can assume infinite number, no? Often include fractions and decimals. Sila yung parating na-obtain by measuring most of the time, no? Levels of measurement, nominal, classifies data into mutually exclusive categories, no? Pang-name lang yung number, no? Tapos yung ordinal, yung data pwede mo i-rank, no? Nararank yung data. Pero hindi pa siya yung mismong numerical, no? Ito yung mga numerical. Interval ranks data, pero there's no meaningful zero, no? No meaningful zero. And lastly, ratio, interval measurement din siya, pero merong true zero, no? Experimental variable, independent, yung sinastudy. Dependent variable, also known as the resultant or outcome variable, no? Confounding variable influences the dependent variable but not separated from the independent variable. Yung mga hindi natin na-account dati, nasabi ko nga last time, di ba? Data presentation, I hope you remember these terms, no? Then yan, this is how to make one, no? This is how it looks like. I'm going to upload this naman mamaya. Para you can look at it habang nagsasagot kayo. And ito, tas yan, this is how it looks like dapat, no? This is how it should look like. Data description, parameter for population, statistic for the sample. This is how the summation notation looks like. Ito, parang ganyan, no? Then, measures of central tendency. Mean is known as the average sum of all elements over n. Talagang ganun lang. For group data, frequency times the midpoint of each class over the sum of the frequency, no? Then, for the median, arrange all values from least to greatest, tapos get the middle. Get nyo yun nasa gitna, no? Kung add number of entries, the median is in the middle, no? Yun na agad, yung pinaka-middle na value. Pag naman even number, average of the two middle values. And for group data, the lower bound of the median class plus n over 2 minus cumulative frequency before the median class over frequency of the median class times the class width. No? For the mode, bibilangin mo lang kung ano yung pinakamarami. No? Pag one mode, unimodal. Pag two modes, bimodal. Pag more than two modes, multimodal. No? Mid-range is the lowest plus highest value divided by 2. Weighted mean para ka lang kumukuha ng jiwa. Measures of variation. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value in the dataset. Ito yung formula niya. Variance. Ito, you don't need to memorize, pero I would like you to refer to this later. Kasi although papayagan ko kayong gumamit ng calcu, minsan naman, baka naman hindi kailangan, no? Okay. So ito, standard deviation. Um, ito siya. Square root of the variance. Coefficient of variation. Um, Standard deviation over the mean times 100. Measures of position. Measures of position. Ito, percentile, quartiles, deciles. Then, this is how to get percentile rank, number of values below x plus 0.5 over total number of values times 100. Then, for the finding a data value, get a counter depending on ano yung, kung ano siya. Kung ito, this one is for getting the nth percentile, nth decile, nth quartile. Tapos, you'll use the number you get here to count from the lowest value until sa value ng C mo. IQR is the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. Then the outlier, as long as you have data na Q1, as long as you have data na ito, na wala sa bounds na to, outlier siya, no? Outlier siya. For skewness naman, ito siya, degree of symmetry. For positively skewed to the right, mean greater than median, greater than mode. And for negatively skewed, mean less than median, less than mode. This is the 5-number summary. You can just plot that. Then, ito yung mga information na makukuha natin. There we go. Okay? Sige. That's it for our recap. Now, I'm going to send sa group chat yung recap na to, tas yung problem set, no? Para you can start. Try ko to sa inyo. Try ko yung approach na to. Kasi multiple choice yung focus natin yun eh. We have 40 items on multiple choice, no? I'm going to try muna natin, no? 1 hanggang sige, let's try 1 to 40. I'm going to give you sige, I'll give you 40 minutes, okay? Pag may tanong kayo, please ask me. Ito yung ginawa ko sa class ko kahapon and it looks like it was effective, no? Mas nakasagot sila kaysa dati. Okay? Sige. Teka lang, ha? Yan, that's the problem set. Ito yung recap, no? Short version of the PowerPoint. Para di kayo mahirapan tumingin ng formula. Sige. I'm going to give you 40 minutes. 1 minute per item, no? Sige, let's try muna if kaya nyo. If hindi nyo kaya, if meron kayong di alam, if meron kayong hindi sure, if meron kayong tanong, please ask me. Okay? 40 minutes. Let's go. Tapos, by the way, nagka-problema kasi yung pag-compile ng program ko. So, merong mga sagot dito na wala sa choices, okay? If wala sa choices yung sagot, sulat nyo lang yung sagot, no? Sulat nyo lang, okay? Mamaya, we're going to answer using Menti. We're going to go through the items one by one, okay? Sige, go. 40 minutes. Pwede kayo magtulungan, pwede kayo mag-discuss, no? It's okay. If hindi, I'll give more time. Baka 50 minutes or an hour. So, let's see. Marami kasi yan. That's how exams sa statistics work, no? They focus more on the concept rather than the calculation. Mamaya na kayo mag-join ng Menti, no? For now, yeah, let's go with that. Mamaya discuss natin yan. Tapos sa Monday naman, problem set discussion on kinematics tayo. See guys, I'll give you, ano, sige, I'll give you another 10 minutes. So, 11:15 na tayo mag-check. 11:15. Okay guys, 5 minutes na lang. Okay, sige, 2 minutes na lang. Okay, time's up. Sige. Game. Punta na kayo sa Menti, no? Login na kayo sa Menti. Login na kayo sa Menti. Well, let's start discussing. Sige. Okay, game. Sige, let's try, ah. Sige, let's go. Oh, number 1. Can you type your answer? Number 1, ano? Sige, I'll wait for more. Isa pa? I'm waiting for one more answer. Yan, B. There we go, correct. Oh, para lang ano? Sige, para lang we know. So, I'm sure naman kaya nyo na to, pero sige, para sure tayo, GPA is just parang G1, no? Teka. Parang, sum ay yung grade times yung credits niya, no? Yun lang. So, doing all of that. So on and so forth. Tapos sa baba, sum ng credits, we get 2.06 or 2.1 if round off. Letter B. Okay, sige. Next. Number 2. Meron tayong given dataset. Oh, number 2. What's your answer sa number 2? Sige, I'm waiting for one more. Sige. Yan. A. Good job. Okay, sige. Oh, the mean of the data is 4.5. What is the value of the unknown weight? No? So, 6, 4, sulat ko na lahat, no? 5, 6, 4, 3, x2. Huh? Yan. That's everything. Oh, mean of the data is 4.5. What should be the value? So, x bar equals sum of all the values over n. Diba? So, if we add 41 plus x over 10 equals to 4.5, solving for x, we get that x equals 4. Good job. Okay, sige. Next. Number 3. You type your answer sa number 3. Yes, ayun. Sabi ko kanina, di ba? If wala yung answer sa choices, type your answer, no? Write the answer na lang. Kasi nagkamali nga yung, Okay, sige, game. If the unknown weight is 6, sige, sabihin daw natin 6, no? O, 6 daw yan. Sige, arrange natin, no? From least to greatest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, no? Oh, ano niya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, let's get that middle 2. Get the number halfway between them. 5 plus 5 divided by 2. So, dapat 5 yung sagot. Okay, sige. Number 4. Actually, guys, yes, tama yung D, pero pwede rin yung A. Bakit? Bakit? Sige, let's see, Pwede rin yung A, no? Pwede rin yung A. Actually. Bakit? Sige, let's look at the data, no? Ilan yung 2? Isa lang. Ilan yung 3? Isa lang. Ilan yung 4? Dalawa. Ilan yung 5? Dalawa. Ilan yung 6? Tatlo. No? So, it's either padamihin mo to or ito. Or kahit ito nga pwede rin, no? Para maging unimodal pa rin, no? So, actually, 2, 3, or 6. Pero sa choices, A or D lang yung pwede. Pero good job. Sige, number 5. Number 5. Yan. I won't do much explaining na, pero basta alam natin na ang weight ay isang continuous variable. Pero quantitative din siya. Good job. Okay, next. Number 6. Number 6. Yes, tama. Letter B, no? Pwede nyo siyang kunin sa calcu, input nyo lahat yan, or kaya, do it manually. Basta alam natin na ang mean is the sum over n, which is 1620 over n. 1624 over 20 equals 81.2. Sige, next. Number 7. Number 7. Yan, tama. Letter B siya. Tama. Okay. Median, if you arrange everything from least to greatest, you'll get na dapat 81 and 82. Yun nasa gitna. So, get the average of that. It's 81.5. Okay, pero before we move on, papakita ko na, no? Let's share my whole screen. Pakita ko yung calcu, no? Oh. Teka, ha? Okay. 6 statistics. So, variable 1. Game, 83, 77. Ay, eto. Yan. So, type ko lang lahat, 77, 83, 84, 84, 81, 79, 83, 83, 77, 77, 82, 78, 80, 83, 83, 81, 84, 81, 81. Yan, no? Oh, mean 81.2, median 81.5. Oh, game. O sige. Number 8. What's your answer sa number 8? Yeah, I'm waiting for one more. Yes. Tama. 2.4. Okay. Ano lang yan? You can use the manual calculation, pero in our purposes, let's use the calculator lang. 2.44. Okay, number 9. What's the variance? Number 9. Ang 2.44 squared, according to my calcu, it's 5.96, no? Check ko na nga rin ulit. 2.44 squared. Oo, 5.95, no? 5.95 or 5.96. Somewhere near there. Saka dito sa calcu ko, look, 5.96. Sample. Okay, by the way, sample siya, no? Sample. Kasi sabi, sample of the players, no? Sample of the players. Yung, doon kayo nagkamali. Okay, basahin niyo yung situation. Use a dataset. They believe that the height is the main determinant of their performance, and thus they got the following heights in inches from a sample of the players. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, bago kayo pumili ng value sa calculator, it's It's, kaya pala 2.4 yung sagot ng iba. Yan, ingat. Hanapin nyo muna kung population or standard or sample yung data na kinukunan nyo. No? Yun na lang muna. Okay? Sige. Game. Number 10. Wala, ingat next time. Magpili, no? Ingat next time sa pagpili nung ibibigay na value, yung i-report na value. Yes, tama, 8, no? So, sige, fast track lang, no? Fast track lang na onte. Paano ba to? Ayan, tingnan kayo sa whiteboard. O, di ba? The sum plus 2 players. The sum of the original players plus 2 players equals to 80 times 22, di ba? Ano ba yung sum ng original players? 1,624. Di ba? Subtract mo, you'll get 136. The mean heights of the two players is 68. Yung bagong dinagdag. Yes, tama yon. Okay. Next, number 11. Yan, tama. A. Yes, no? Kasi, alam nyo naman na yan. Performance is study, tas yung tinitignan na dahilan nun ay yung height, no? Yung height. Okay? Sige. Next. Number 12. Okay, by the way. Oh. Yes, sige, go. Continue lang. Game. Good job. Galing nyo. Na-figure out nyo kung paano siya gawin, no? Without me telling you. Okay. Ganyan sa statistics, no? Minsan sa exam nyo, bibigay lang sa inyo yan. Tapos kinabahala mag-apply ng formula, no? Okay. Sige, game. Surat ko na sa whiteboard, no? Okay. Before that, ano muna? Population or sample? Nakasulat dyan, explicitly, sample, no? Population. Wala isa kong marker. Ayun. A wide study of the PSHS faculty population is conducted. Diba? Yun ang tinanong. Game. Mean salary. Game, 'Di ba? Ang salary for ungrouped data to eh. Yeah, ungrouped data siya. Kumbaga, kung ano lang nandyan. Kahit sample, population, mean, equals sum x over n. So, just substitute the given values, you'll get 128. Good job. Okay, letter B. Ay, number 13. Number 13. Variance. Yan. Good job, good job. Okay. Actually, dalawa yung option nyo dito kung anong gusto nyong gamitin, no? Kaya lang, para sa akin, um, mas madaling gamitin si, teka lang let's see yung let's see yung formulas natin. Yeah, so you have two options, no? Ikaw bahala. It's either mas madali or mas mahirap na formula. Basta, di ba, equals to n basta any of that or kaya simply no? Any would work. Okay, good job. Sige, next. Number 14. Standard deviation. Yes, good job. Okay, next. Number 15. Coefficient of, basta standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. No? Okay, next. Number 15. Yes, tama. Standard deviation over population mean times 100 equals 0.5%. Good job. Okay, number 16, mid-range. Tama. Letter D. Okay, sige. Good job. Mid-range equals lowest plus highest over 2. Just solve for the highest salary, which we will get as 61,000. Okay. Sige, dito ako interested sa next set of questions. So, discuss ko muna, no? Paano natin i-complete yung table? Sige, wait lang kunin ko lang yung saan na ba yun? Eto guys, wait. Ayan. Let's see, paano natin i-complete yung table? Okay? I hope nagawa nyo to. And if you did this, good job. Sige, game. Ito, sabi ko na dati, 12 dapat to. Kasi it starts there. Next, ano pa yung pwede natin makuha right away? Oh, dito, less than CF, 67. So, ang suggestion ko, complete the table muna, no? Complete the table muna. Actually, itong nasa right side, I don't need to complete this, okay? Itong mga F times XM, tsaka F times XM squared. Kasi, basta hindi natin kailangan yan, no? Okay, how do I get this? Dapat 12 ito. Kasi 79 minus 67 is 12. Okay, what else? Oh, ito, makukuha ko to. Given kasi itong F times X squared M. So, solving for, di ba meron tayong class mark dito, class midpoint. which is 39.5. So, gawin ko lang, 12,482 divided by 39.5 squared, di ba? Yun ang magagawa ko. I get the frequency to be 8. Tapos, less than CF, 12 plus 8, 20. Tapos, finally, ang frequency dito is 34 minus 20, which is 14. Total frequency, all in all, is 79. No? Hindi masyadong maganda yung number. Okay, sige. Next, sige nga, let's see. Number 17. What did you get? Number 17. Yan. A. Good job. Tama. Kasi yung total frequency, you can refer to the table sa PowerPoint. Actually, hindi pala, no? Pero I hope na ginawa niyo yung table. Letter A. Tama. Good job. Number 18. How many animals have weight of 10 to 29? Sige nga, let's see. Yes, tama. Good job. Okay, number 19. So yun, napag-given kayo ng table, it's best to complete it muna so that you have a perspective of what you're going to deal with. Good job. Letter C siya. Tama. Okay, number 20. Number 20. Yes, good job. Okay, number 21. Galing niya talaga. Good job. Good job, good job. Okay, next. Number 22. I hope nagkamali lang nung type yung isa sa inyo. Pero dapat B yung sagot, no? Dapat B yung sagot. Kasi kinalculate na natin yung kanina. Hindi siya A, ah. Diba kinalculate na natin siya kanina? Dapat 8, hindi 9, no? Hindi 9. Baka nagkamali lang siguro ng type siya. Okay, sige, game. Oh. Number 23. 23 na tinatanong is median class, no? Median class. Sige. Let's see if naalala niyo yung concept. Saan kaya siya? Galing. Good job. You're doing great. Okay. Let's see, tingnan natin yung table, no? Tingnan natin yung table. Oh. Diba, median class daw. Oh, 79. So, yung estimate natin, 79 plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 40. 40th term, no? Hanapin natin. 12 plus 8, naka 20 na tayo hanggang dito. Dito, naka 34 na tayo. So, yung remaining na 6, nandito yon sa 70 to 89 for sure. Okay? Sige, that's good. Next, number 21. Let's see nga if nakuha niyo yung 21 is the mean, no? Madali lang pala yan. Sige nga, let's see. 21. Okay, wait lang. By the way, before we continue, hanggang saan lang yung natapos nyo? Yun pala, nalimutan ko kayong tanongin. Hanggang saan lang yung natapos nyo? Until what number? Okay lang, no? Up to what number lang kayo nakagawa? Guys, may tanong ko sa inyo. Hanggang saan lang natapos nyo? Maybe, it's fine. Please, para lang alam ko. So, sige, siguro hanggang number 24 lang kayo. Okay. Sige na, please, pakisagot. I just want to know. Thank you. Alam ko nahihiya kayo ng magsalita. Okay lang. Pero please, pag nag-chat ako, kahit type nyo lang 23. Ayun. O, sige, para alam ko, no? Para alam ko. Sige, how about you, Sandra? Hanggang saan ka lang nakatapos? 29. O, sige, ganito gawin natin. I'll give you more time, ha? I'll give you more time. Okay, I'll give you. Sige, kaya ako kayo tinatanong para alam ko. O, di ba kung tinuloy-tuloy ko yan, edi sayang naman, no? Sige, I'm going to give you, um, ilang minutes lang ba tayo? Ano lang tayo, ah? Today, we're going to do the multiple choice lang. If may time, we're going to do some of the nasa likod. Okay? I'm going to give you 15 minutes more. 15 minutes more. Okay? 15 minutes more. Game. Answer pa kayo. Mamaya, balik na lang ulit tayo sa main team mamaya. 15 minutes more tayo. Kasi nakuha nyo naman eh. You're doing pretty great. Ang galing nyo nga eh. Sige. Oh, by the way, para lang alam nyo, ano yung graph na nandito, no? Tignan ko lang tong 34. Ito to. This one, look at the screen lang ah. Ito, ang tawag dito ay histogram, no? It just shows yung class boundaries. It just shows yung class boundaries, no? So, for example, ito, this one is 46.95 to 250 to 58.05, no? And so on and so forth. Ito, 58.05 until 69.15. So on and so forth, no? Agad doon lang. That's what it means. That's what a histogram means. Okay, sige, go. Continue lang. I'll give you 15 more minutes. Let's check ulit by 12 p.m. So good job for making it that far, no? That's pretty good. Given what we have done last time. That's pretty good. Ayan. So, papansin niyo sa problem set, naglagay ako ng mga graph na hindi natin diniscuss, no? Madali lang intindihin yan. Don't worry, no?
Franklin G. de la Cruz. His thesis, range analysis, topological charge determination, nonlinearity error reduction in procedurology, focal length estimate of kilobase. Advisor, Dr. Nathaniel.
Ay, sorry. Okay. Okay, guys. Ay, hindi pa. Ayun, 3 minutes na lang, no, guys? 3 minutes na lang. Sige, 2 minutes. Okay. Sige, time's up. Okay, game. Ah, sige, let's try. Let's start with number... Let's start with number 24. Sige, 24. Oh, by the way, before we continue, up to what item kayo ngayon? Yan, 24, letter B. Tama, no? So, it's just... Ay, sige. Anong number na muna kayo ngayon? Nasaan na kayo? Sige, that's good. $40. Good job. 25. Sige, it's okay. Let's discuss na mabuti. Okay, game. Okay, sige, game, no? Sige, tama yung 24. Okay. So, paano gawin yon? From the table, we have this, no? We have this. Tingin kayo sa table. Discuss na natin na mabuti. So, let's look at the table, no? The mean is just, highlight ako The mean is just, teka. The mean is just this one divided by this one, di ba? Sum of x times xm over f. Okay, what's the other method? Let's look at the calculator ulit. Tapos, teka ha. Yan. Tapos, type ulit natin, no? Game. Ang type naman natin ngayon is yung class mark, di ba? Class mark naman ngayon, sabi ko. Pag ito, class mark. So, let's start. 10 to 29, 14 point. Ito, 14.5. Next, yung, ano yung class width? It's 20, di ba? 20 yung class width. So, type ko na lang, 54 point. Joke lang. Ang unang class mark is 19.5, 39.5, 59.5, tsaka 79.5, and 99.5, no? 12, 8, 14, 33, 12. Now, if we get our one variable calculator, ito makakuha natin. Mean is 65.8. Yung median, hindi natin gagamitin yan. Then, let's go back to our question. Okay? Let's just keep this here. Next. What is the range of the given weights? What is the range of the given weights? Sige nga, let's see your answer. What is the range of the given weights? Okay. Sige. Dapat 100. Bakit 100? No? Bakit 100? Sige, let's look back here. Tingin ulit tayo, no? Let's look. Range is the highest upper class boundary, 109.5. Kasi naka-highlight ako. Okay, game It's 109.5 minus 9.5, which is equal to 100. Dapat ganon. Okay, sige, next. 26, what is the variance? What is the variance? Okay. 653.61. Hindi sige, let's look at our calcu. Ito lang yung, let's look at our calcu. 661.99, no? 661.99 according to this. What's the other option? Sige, let's look at the board. For now, sige guys, ako na lang magdi-discuss for the next part, no? Kasi we're running out of time. So, tingin na lang kayo sa akin, no? Dito tayo mag-menti. Okay. Next. Diba, ito, pwede rin na we use the formula na mahaba. N F times x squared m minus summation ng f times xm squared over n times n minus 1, no? Kasi sample, yung natin. Okay, what's next? Substitute all the given values na meron. 79 times 393, 979.75. Please, pero kayong di gets or hindi nyo kaya gamitin yung calculator, please tell me, no? Para maturuan ko kayo next time. Over n times n minus 1. 79 times 78. 661.99. Next, what is the standard deviation between the animals? Get the square root of this one. Dapat ang lumabas sa'yo, letter A, 25.73. No? 25.73. Next, number 28. What would be a good estimate of the median of the animal's weight? So, na-identify natin kanina na ang median class ay yung 70 to 89. So, let's use that. X bar equals LB median class plus n over 2 minus CF, minus CF before median class over frequency median times the class width. So, lower bound of the median class equals 69.5 plus, kasi di ba 70 to 89, plus n over 2, 79 over 2, minus cumulative frequency before the median class, which is 34, over frequency of the median class, which is 33, di ba? Times, class width. Kuha lang tayo ng isang class, sabihin natin yung pinakauna, 29 minus 10 plus 1, which is 20, no? You should get around 60, you should get 72.8 according to my calculations, no? Tell me na lang if may mali. Pero that's what I got. Okay, sige, next. Number 29, what is the coefficient of variation of the data? What is the coefficient of variation of the data? Using what we have, C var equals x over x times 100, di ba? S equals to 25.73 over x bar pala, x bar, which is the mean, 65.8 times 100. So we should get around 39.1%, which is letter A, no? Letter A. Sige, next. For number 30, pie chart naman, pie chart. So, I hope you're looking, di ba? Ang given natin is, I'm sure you know how to interpret a pie chart naman, no? Common sense lang yan. Grade 7, 20. So, syempre, hindi yan, syempre, hypothetical lang yan. Hindi totoo yan. G8, G9, G10, G11, G12. 26.7% are from grade 7, 12.8 from grade 8, 14.9 from grade 9, from grade 10, di natin alam, grade 11, 12%, and grade 12, 19.9%. So, itong missing percentage, 100 minus all of this, dapat makuha natin is 13.7%. Now, get 13.7% of 1,951, which is the total, which is equal to 267 students from grade 10, which is letter B sa number 30. No? Next, what is the majority of the composition of students in Pisay? From the graph, pinakamalaki, and from our percentages, pinakamalaki ay yung grade 7. Which is 26.7%, no? So, dapat letter D yung sagot. Next, number 32. How much of the pie chart in degrees represents the grade 7 students? Diba? Ang pie chart is 360 degrees. So, we just get 26.7%. We get, kasi grade 7 students, diba? We get 26.7% of 360 degrees, which we should get around 96.1 degrees. Letter B. Yan, letter B dapat. Next. Number 33. What kind of statistical method is presented in the study? Di ba wala naman siya sinabi prediction or anything. Nag-summarize lang siya ng data. So, dapat letter A, descriptive statistics. Number 34, as seen here, or may infer nyo, it's best for categorical data, di ba? Naghiwa-hiwalay lang siya ng category of students by grade level. So, dapat letter A, qualitative data. Next, for number 35 and above, so ito, let's see. Tapos ito, 46.95, 50.05, at 69.15, ay 58 pala to, 58.05, 69.15, 80.25, 91.35. That's more than, no? More than. So, what is the class width? What is the class width? Diba? These are class boundaries, so we just get the difference, no? 58.05 minus 46.95 equals to 11.1. Letter B, class width. Kasi class width is just the difference of the class boundaries, no? Next, number 36. What is the modal class? Kunin lang natin yung class na may pinakamarami, which is, ito, di ba? Ito siya. Kaya lang, take note, guys, modal class, no class. These are just class boundaries. So, we get the class with, the class limits, no? Class limits. So, 58.05 to 69.15, add ka ng 0.05, dito minus ka ng 0.05, dapat 58.1 to 69.1, no? Dapat yun nakuha natin. Which is letter C. Letter C. Next, what level of measurement was used in the data gathering process? Letter B, ratio, no? Kasi weight yung variable. Weight, di ba? Next, what is the distribution of the data? Okay. Pag may histogram, pwede nyo siyang gawin ganito. Di ba? Pwede yan, no? Pag histogram, it's used also to determine skewness. No? And actually, for the next parts of our lessons, makikita nyo, puro ganito yung binibigay. Histogram, no? Very useful siya. Positively skewed, kasi pag ganito yung skew niya. Which is letter A, no? Letter A. Next, number 39. If we read that, let's go. A researcher was studying the minimum wage of various workers in NCR. He found that the median wage was 300.21. Mean wage equals 360.54. From our concepts, dahil mean is greater than the median, positively skewed, di ba? Pag positively skewed, mean, median mode, no? And for number 40, pareho yung mean sa median, so dapat symmetrically distributed. Parang ganyan. Then, sige, for the last part of today, I'll just discuss this. This is conceptual, no? Ako nang bahala dito. Upload ko naman ito mamaya, no? Yan. So, ito raw. Box plots. Interpreting box plots. So, ano nga ulit? Pag mas mahaba yung left kaysa sa right, negatively skewed, no? Negatively skewed. Tapos kapag mas mahaba yung box length, mas spread out yung data. Okay? Yun ang pinaka-importante. Then to compare averages, the farther the right the median is, which is this one, ito median, mas pataas yung average. No? Okay, letter A. The girls are taller on average. The girls have a smaller median. No? So, dapat letter F. False. More than half the girls are over 165 cm tall. We don't know for sure kasi nga, it just tells us about the distribution. No? We're not sure kung totoo to. Okay? We don't have the enough numbers. No, we don't have the enough numbers. So, letter F. False. Letter C. The girls show less spread in height. Mas maliit yung box. So, dapat less you spread. True. The boys more spread in height. True. Kasi mas malaki yung box. No? Mas mahaba. Letter E. The shortest person in the class is a girl. True. Kasi nga, tignan yung minimum. Ito yung minimum, di ba? Minimum. Next. The tallest person in the class is a boy. Yes. Kasi, ito yung max for the boys. Both data sets are skewed to the left. Yes, kasi for both, mas mahaba yung left box kaysa sa right box. Less than half the boys are over 172 centimeters tall. We don't have the data to prove this nga. Half the girls are under 165 cm tall. No data to prove this. And number 10, um, no one is too tall or too short. No outliers. No outliers. Wala naman tayo nakita outliers, so no one is extremely tall or extremely short. Okay. Sige, what time is it? 12:17. Ayan, so sakto lang ako, no? In 10 seconds, tapos na yung session natin. Okay. Sige, guys. O, yun lang, guys. Sa Monday, see you on Monday, we'll have kinematics problem set discussion. Yung chem next 2 weeks pa yun. Okay? Sige. O, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat. Yun lang. I'm going to upload this in a while. Bye-bye. Sige, you can leave.